Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to go over how to set Excel up to only print a part of a spreadsheet. So here I have an unformatted sheet, and if I go to the print preview I can see that it's got multiple pages on it. However, if I want to only see what happened on 6/10, I would highlight all of those and go to page layout, print area, and set print area. Now it's only going to print what I have highlighted there. So I go over to the file, print, and we see the preview. It only has those cells that I had highlighted when I went to that print option. So that's how you set the print area in Excel. Thank you for watching.